Okay, this is Subshare back another day with another unboxing. I just did a long video and then I noticed that you couldn't even see the strap because the camera was too far away. So let me do the short version of something that I have already said. This strap is from Black Forest Atalier, and a year ago I ordered a strap. I have ordered a bunch of straps from him. So last year I ordered blue, purple, and a green one. I think I ordered 4 or 5 straps, but that's the ones that I remember. Maybe a pink one as well. Yeah, either way. And usually I order the straps double hornback, always double hornback. And for those who knows, you know that double hornback is very rare because you need to find a crocodile skin or alligator skin, crocodile skin that is perfect by nature. And if you find that skin that is perfect by nature, you can only make one strap out of that whole skin with the double hornback. So double hornback is at least double as expensive as your ordinary strap, sometimes even 5 times more expensive. But this time, since I've ordered a bunch of straps from Black Forest Atelier, I thought he would remember that I always ordered double hornback. But this one I got something mixed that for me in the beginning looked unnatural, even though it's the most natural thing. And yeah, it looks a bit cheaper. I don't know, I didn't like it as much in the beginning. I wore the strap like once or twice. I'm gonna see if I can post pictures here. And I grew to like it. I really did. As I said, the green really light up my watch. It was much more lighter green than this. And the mixed hornback make it look much more genuine, much more real, imperfect by nature. I really like the look. But one of my blog readers asked if he could buy the strap. I think it was when we bought these pair of shoes. So he wanted something to match, even that those shoes doesn't match that strap. So I sold the strap to him and I ordered me a new strap from Black Forest Atelier. This time double hornback, of course. And even though I liked that sort of neon green, Lamborghini green, I ordered the strap to match this one. This is another piece, custom-made piece that I have never used in any way. Just laying around by my papers. And that strap, hopefully can insert a picture here. That strap came to Sweden and the Swedish post office lost the strap. Even though we have a tracking number and everything, the same day they lost 2 of my packages. And of course somebody stole it. Very sad, especially when we have a perfect double hornback strap that is very rare and somebody steals it. So I ordered me a 3rd strap, and then I told him, because then I sort of missed the first strap. This is gonna be a very boring video because I just noticed that I haven't shown you the strap in any way. The first video was a lot better, but anyway. So the 3rd strap, I told him, give me just something imperfect or natural like the first one. So he sent me this, and I think this is just perfect. It's not as light in green as the first one, it's not as dark as the second one, it's something in between. The hornbacks are not as mixed on the first one. It's not double hornback as the second one. It's something in between. So the third strap from Black Forest Atelier is a perfect mix between the first strap and the second strap that I don't have anymore. So I'm actually satisfied. He has done a great job once again. I've ordered like 10 straps from him. And even though but I usually just wear my Apple Watch these days, I still enjoy buying straps. I do. And of course, he do make straps for Apple Watch, but I think that if you go with this thickness, I ordered them extra thick, and in double hornback and everything, or just hornback, that is too much for an Apple Watch. But for a Panerai, 47mm Panerai is perfect. When I had the strap here, I just realized that it would look great on my black 1950 Panerai, but I ordered it for my Pan 203. So I don't know, man, because this is also green, but very, very dark green. I don't have the black watch at home because I don't have my watches at home anymore. They are at the bank. So maybe I should wait to put it on until I have the black watch, because I think on the black watch you're gonna look, you can see here on the black, you're gonna look insane. It's gonna look a lot better on the black watch. But to review the straps, Black Forest Atelier Black Forest straps are softer than your usual leather straps, and the hornbacks doesn't scratch as easily. The color the color stays this way. Most of the other straps that I order are stiffer, maybe because of the lining, the stitches all around the strap. I don't know. I don't think it's only that. But these straps are softer and stronger in color. Usually the other kind of straps that I order, they fade in the sun, or they can even get tanned in the sun, like this one. This was almost like this in the beginning, but it usually gets darker and darker. So yeah, and one thing that I like about him, that he's not afraid to take custom orders. I've ordered a bunch of crazy colors from him. As I said, purple, blue, very many different kind of green, pink. I don't know if I ordered the orange strap from him. Maybe I even ordered the orange one from him. But I've ordered like 10 straps from this guy, and I'm never disappointed, actually. So Black Forest Atelier, good straps for good price for your Panerai watch. I'm so pissed that the first video was useless, but I hope you enjoy this video anyway. Yeah, let me know what you think. Comment, please subscribe, and sorry for this short version of my very much longer and very much better video. Thumbs up. Thanks.